Did you know that the Japanese stock market very recently, in the month of August 2024, had given a drawdown of over 12% on a single day? And we had brought a video expecting, after doing the analysis, that probably the correction is nearly over. Since then, the Japanese market, that is Nikkei 225, has recovered more than 24% from the bottom it has made. What is next in Japanese stock market? Is Japanese stock market is looking attractive in terms of valuation, in terms of growth, in terms of momentum? So in this video, we will do a comprehensive analysis of Nikkei 225 index to understand the price action and to determine the possible targets of the index. Before moving ahead, I would request all the viewers to watch that video that we uploaded in the month of August 2024 from the academic point of view. What were the reasons which indicated that probably the correction is over and the market is ready for upside move? And it exactly did it. So I will give the link of that video right below in the description box of this video so that you can refer, watch it, and be ready for the Japanese stock market. First, we will check the valuation of the Japanese stock market. So the current price to earning multiple stands at 15.6, which is below 10 years average of 17.7. And if you look at the current P ratio and compare it with the past 3 years average, it is at par with the 3 years average. Most importantly, the price to sales ratio stands at 0.9. So overall valuation of the Japanese market is looking good. What are the growth estimates of the Japanese stock market? So earning is forecast to grow at 8.9%. But there are 4 sectors which are likely to grow more than 10% per annum in next few years in the Japanese stock market. Number 1 is the tech sector. The earning growth is forecast to grow at 13.3%, while the health industry is likely to grow at 12.3%, and materials 11.5%, and telecom sector at 10.9%. However, consumer staples also have a growth rate of nearly 9.5%. So these are the sectors where probably the investors should focus to find the opportunity in the Japanese stock market. So now let us move to the price chart to undertake the comprehensive technical analysis of Nikkei 225 index and understand the price action. Friends, do not forget to subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell for updates. Let's begin. This is the quarterly chart of Nikkei 225 index. Why we are referring to the quarterly price chart? Simply because we have to understand the historical price action. Because this particular market, that is Japanese stock market, was for a very, very long time, it was in a bear market. The bear market started way back in 1989. And it continued till here unless it formed the double bottom, and the apex of the double bottom gave a breakout over here. Now, if you see the market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of a structure. So market is currently trading in a bullish territory. In the last video also we discussed about this rising wedge kind of price chart pattern where it gave a breakout that indicated the expansion in the price. Now, it has made in the process all-time high of 42,426.77. And then there was a lack of upside momentum, and the price since past 2.5 months is consolidating near neckline of this rounding bottom chart pattern. If price start trading above 42,426, It will be breakout of a rounding kind of chart pattern, which is a multi-year rounding bottom chart pattern, which has started forming since 1989. So if we project the target based on this chart pattern, it could go to 1,08,520 as the first target, and then potentially it has all probability to go to 2,05,000 level, which is 100% expansion with respect to the rounding bottom chart pattern. But let us first presume this target of 1,08,500 because it is a 61.8% expansion level. But for this target to achieve, price has to start trading above 42,427 level, which is a immediate resistance it is facing. It was a resistance earlier to over here. Now let us move to the monthly price chart. So this is the monthly price chart. Here what we saw, a huge correction in the market in the month of August. In fact, the market was quite volatile in the month of August. It made a low of 31,156 and then finally recovered to close at 38,647.75. And since then, the market is consolidating in a very, very narrow band. The moment price gives a breakout of this narrow band, it will be breakout of the bullish flag pattern, which is a continuation chart pattern. And since we have a well-defined impulsive wave, there will be a great possibility that the market gives a breakout of 42,427 level to give a breakout of the multi-year rounding bottom chart pattern, which will bring a great upside momentum in the Japanese stock market. Now let us go and check the weekly price chart. What we can see in the weekly price chart, the price is now again regaining its structure of higher highs and higher lows. So we can here draw well in advance. So I have first drawn the bullish flag. The moment it gives a breakout of this flag, it will be breakout of a bullish flag chart pattern. But at the same time, price might again struggle here. So it may form a cup and handle kind of chart patterns. Once the price comes in markup phase, we have a multiple continuation chart pattern which comes in the market. Now let us go to the daily price chart to understand the recent price action. Now what we can see here, this was the biggest single day fall with a gap down opening in the market. And this single day fall was in excess of 12% on a single day on 5th of August 2024. And we brought that video for which the link is given in the description box of this video. You can watch it later. So this was the time we discussed. This is a vertical fall and probably this was the important demand area 29,400 to 30,487 was the demand area based on historical price action, which was explained there. And we expected that the market should not go below this level, and exactly it happened. Market recovered, and now market structure is slowly recovering and turning into the markup phase. What we can see here, there is a crossover of EMA 55 to SMA 200, which is a golden cross, which indicates that probably bulls have come under control in the Japanese stock market. So overall structure is looking good. What is the immediate potential resistance to watch out is, if I draw a counter trend line, this is the counter trend line where the price got rejected here. The moment it gives a breakout, there is a significant possibility that market will develop an upside momentum, will give a breakout of all-time high of 42,427, and then big upside move is possible in Japanese stock market. So what is the conclusion of this comprehensive analysis of Japanese stock market? Number one, the Japanese stock market is looking attractive in terms of valuation. Then there is a growth potential also in the Japanese stock market, especially in the tech sector. When we did the technical analysis, we found the good momentum is developing, and there is a great possibility of a breakout of multi-year rounding bottom chart pattern. Once that happens, can give up phenomenal returns as we have arrived with the target, and those targets are coming post breakout of the rounding bottom chart pattern. Is this video given any value addition to you? I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.